Ever wondered what really goes down after you chug an energy drink? We're breaking down the wild, minute-by-minute journey inside your body, from the sugar rush to the inevitable crash. Get the full scoop here. Introduction. Alright, let's set the scene. You're dragging, the afternoon slump has hit you like a ton of bricks, and that neon-colored can is calling your name. We've all been there. You crack it open, take a few gulps, and bam, you feel that familiar buzz kick in. It's like a lightning bolt of alertness. But have you ever stopped mid-sip to wonder, what in the world is this stuff actually doing to me? Oh, it's a wild ride, my friend. Strap in, because we're about to take a fascinating and slightly terrifying tour through your body to uncover exactly what happens inside your body when you drink an energy drink. It's a biochemical rollercoaster, and you've just bought a ticket. The first 10 minutes, the sugar highway and caffeine on ramp. The moment that liquid hits your tongue, the party, and the pandemonium, starts. The sweet deception, your taste buds throw a rave. All that sugar, we're talking 25-40 grams in a typical can, sends a flood of yum signals straight to your brain, triggering a dopamine release. You feel good, you feel happy, this is the honeymoon phase. Systemic shockwave, the beverage doesn't lounge around in your mouth for long. It rockets down your esophagus and into your stomach, where it's absorbed into your bloodstream at a breakneck pace. Your pancreas, sensing this massive sugar invasion, goes into panic mode. It frantically releases a huge dose of insulin to manage the glucose levels in your blood. This is the calm before the storm, setting the stage for the crash you'll feel later. Minutes 15:45, the caffeine tsunami hits while the sugar is causing chaos. The main event is just getting warmed up. Caffeine is the headliner here, and it's about to take the stage. Adenosine blockade. Caffeine is a master of disguise. It sweeps into your brain and starts blocking the receptors for a neurotransmitter called adenosine. Now, adenosine is basically your body's natural brake pedal. It builds up throughout the day to make you feel tired and ready for sleep. With caffeine hogging all the parking spots, adenosine can't do its job. The result? Your brain's natural slowdown is halted, and you feel wide awake. Hormone hijinks. But wait, there's more. This blockade also triggers a chain reaction. Your pituitary gland senses an emergency and tells your adrenal glands to pump out adrenaline, the famous fight or flight hormone.